Meaning of guardian.
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 Guardian. The term guardian refers to a person who is legally responsible for the care and well-being of another individual, typically a minor or someone with a mental or physical disability. A guardian has the authority to make decisions on behalf of their ward, including in matters related to healthcare, education, and finances. The role of a guardian is to ensure that their ward's needs are met and that they are kept safe and protected. In essence, a guardian is a trusted protector and advocate for those in their care.